Hello, my name is Laika Antoinette Johnson and I am only 16 years old. I'm going to sing Killing Me Softly by the version of KZ Tandingan. Kilala nyo yun sa X Factor. Sige, simulan na natin. Excited na kayo? Charing lang. Wait lang para kasi sa inyo po eh. Go. Strumming the pain with his fingers, singing your life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song. I'm telling my whole life with these words. I'm killing you softly with this song. I heard you sang a good song. I heard he had a song, and so I came to see him to listen for a while. And then he was this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, drumming my face with his fingers. Ooh, ooh, singing your life with his words. Killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song. I'm telling my whole life with these words. I'm killing you softly with this song. Kinakatakutan, kinikilabot na nakaalam mo ng kaisipan ng hagupit na pinakamalupit sa mga dil na makapangyarihan, magdahan-dahan. Pagkalatra ko ay maubusan ng agwat ng kaalaman ay parang lupa at kalangitan. Di mo naman ang mga namin nakatakutan mo sa akin kasi parang pinalipad ang mga talata mo sa hangin. Pilit na, ginagalawan ng mga kinakatayo kasi alam mo naman pala na ito isang palakudyata na may kalaban na kayong ipinapaligid ng mga tagang binibitawan nilang taon na pinag-alalan at pagkakya. Sabagat di ka na makatayo at di ka na makagalaw sa mga ribago kung estilo. Turuto, strumming the pain with his fingers, singing your life with his words. Killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song. I'm telling my whole life with these words. I'm killing you softly with this song. La la la. La 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 la, la la da da, la da 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 da. Bam bara ba ba ba, bara bara ba bara ba ba, bam bara ba ba. I'm killing you softly with this song. Ay, taray! Panoorin nyo lang yung iba kong video sa Facebook kaya sa YouTube by Kito Laika Johnson. O kaya, kung gusto nyo, kunin ang work ko pag pogi. Pero pag hindi pogi, wag kukunin na. Yung kanta ko na yun, kasi na-request yun ng best friend ko, si Kimberly Balmonte, para sa kanya. Bye-bye.